do the haircut for free. Hindi ka naman lalabas na pangit sa school kasi we will have our teacher guiding us. So, see you guys! Hello mga B! Hello everyone! Hello B! It's our second week as a cosmetology student. So yan, this is in the break room. Nagkaroon kami ng 15-minute break. So pag snacks lang kami. So gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo mga short clip yung mga nagawa ko dito. So ayan, this is second day. Wednesday na kasi we start school Tuesday. So ayan, we did pedicure today. Record tayo ng short video lang kasi medyo bawal siya mag-take video during the class. So, ayan. Tapos na yung pedicure ko. We did manicure Tuesday. This is Wednesday na pala. We did, manicure. Hindi ako nakapag-record kasi nakalimutan ko, be. So, ayan. Ayan na yung result. So, this is Friday na. Maraming ganap Friday. Yung Thursday kasi hindi ako nakapag-record kasi nag-exam kami. Tapos, we did a lot of theory sa hair cutting. Ganyan. So, ayan. We did the acrylic nails Friday. So, this is our 15-minute break. Again, nakapag-record uli ako ng video. So, ayan yung result ng sa akin. Ayan, medyo perfectionist tayo. So, we did it. I'm so proud of my work. So, ayan na nga guys. Maraming ganap ngayong Friday. Nagkaroon kami ng bisita at she did a demo of haircutting, a men's haircut. Nakakatuwa lang kasi we get to see something like this. She's a former student ng Stewart. So, she get to visit and show off or showcase her men's cutting. So, ayan, nakakatuwa lang. So, the next video is merong magagraduated day, isang student. So, parang every week, every ganyan, may pa isa-isang student na nagagraduate. Kasi nga, kaya siya iba-iba yung graduate. Kasi meron, pag nag-absent ka, you need to catch up with it. So, parang babawiin mo ang oras. Kasi dito, as a cosmetology, may parang, 1500s na hours ka na tatapusin. So ayan, she made it. Congratulations! So, ayan guys. Today is Friday. Nakakalabas ko lang ng school. So, tapos na yung second week namin. Tapos na rin yung trial period. So, 10 days ba? 10 days trial. Tapos na. Ayan yung trial na parang tinry out kami halos, everything. Pero we did not go into cutting. So, parang we did facial, manicure, pedicure, massage, back massage, facial, something like that. They give us idea na parang if we like to do this, ganyan. So, ayan yung trial period, tapos na. So, parang we signed something na parang we agree na. So, what I mean by that is yung trial period or 10 days or 9 days or 8 days man yun. Parang test kung ito ba yung career na gusto mong pasukin or baka na ka lang, nalilito ka lang. So, ayan, so far, lahat kami nag-stay, then we agreed. So, ayun, that's for our second